So the first thing that we must do is connect the air pressure supply to the push button supply port. Then we connect the other one to the 3-2 directional control valve supply port. From here, we need to connect the push button working port to the 3-2 directional control valve supply port. Next, we need to connect the 3-2 directional control valve working port to the flow control valve supply port. And lastly, we need to connect the flow control valve working port to the single acting cylinder. Now we need to tighten all the pipes and we switch on the power. And we can use the throttle to adjust the air pressure and the speed of the cylinder. So for the task 2, we need to connect the air pressure supply to the first push button supply port. Then we need to connect the other one to the second push button supply port. And the last air pressure supply need to be connected to the 5-2 directional control valve supply port. So from here, we need to connect both push button working port to the 5-2 directional control valve supply port. And here we connect the other one. So now we need to connect the 5-2 directional control valve working port to the flow control valve supply port. Then we connect the other 5-2 directional control valve working port to the other flow control valve supply port. So the last thing is we need to connect the working port of the flow control valve to the double acting cylinder. Now we need to check all the pipes are tightened. After that is done, we switch on the power and we test it out. So the same thing as the previous task, we can use the throttle to adjust the air pressure and the speed of the cylinder.